The old home defense rulebook just got rewritten. One gun folds in half. Another uses a roller-delayed system associated with legendary subguns. And Glock finally changed the part everyone complained about. We ranked 10 serious defensive firearms. But the biggest surprise is why the obvious winner may not suit your home. Stay to number 1. No firearm replaces training, secure storage, a charged phone, and a plan to avoid confrontation. Features are not magic. Know your laws, understand your home, and test any defensive firearm responsibly. (10) Glock 19 Gen 6. This is a gun that proves boring can be a compliment. The compact 9mm formula remains familiar. A 4-inch barrel, a standard 15-round magazine, simple controls, and dimensions that work for both concealed carry and home protection. But Gen 6 finally attacks Glock's oldest criticism, the grip. The frame now has a palm swell, thumb rests, broader RTF6 texture, a rounder profile, and undercut trigger guard and a flat-faced trigger. Glock also introduced a new optics mounting system, instead of simply recycling the older MOS arrangement. Here is what makes the update interesting. Glock did not reinvent the operating system. It refined the human interface. Under pressure, the part touching your hands may matter more than another fancy marketing acronym. Independent evaluators reported firing more than 500, and in another test, 800 rounds without a malfunction. The catch is value. Gen 6 costs more, and satisfied Gen 5 owners may discover that new Glock feels like a very good renovation, not a completely different house. 9. Beretta 1301 Tactical Mod 2. This is what happens when a competition-bred gas system puts on work boots. The 12-gauge semi-auto is light, quick cycling, and built around Beretta's proven gas-operated platform. The Mod 2 added an M-Lock forend, a semi-flat trigger, and Beretta's Pro Lifter, which remains raised and makes loading considerably kinder to your thumb. Oversized controls also help when hands are wet, cold, gloved, or rushed. Experienced shotgun owners do not love this platform merely because of raw power. Every 12-gauge brings power. The magic is how quickly the gun returns to control. It feels unusually lively and avoids the front-heavy, fence-post sensation some tactical semi-autos develop. Reviewers consistently praise its balance, speed, and controllability. Naturally, premium performance brings a premium receipt. It is also still a 12-gauge indoors. Extremely loud, forceful, and demanding of competent handling. This is not a magic wand for a first-time buyer. It is a refined tool for someone willing to train. 8. Smith & Wesson Shield X. Apparently, being small was no longer enough. Smith & Wesson stretched the grip, raised capacity to 13 or 15 rounds, added an accessory rail, made the slide optics ready, and borrowed ergonomic ideas from the Bodyguard 2.0. Its 3.6-inch barrel keeps it compact, while the longer grip provides better control than the thin, abbreviated grip found on older Shield models. That creates an intriguing crossover. It can still serve as a concealed carry pistol, yet it is easier to manage as a bedside or general-purpose handgun. A 500-round evaluation, using inexpensive ammunition, reported no stoppages, while testers praised the high grip and assertive texture. The smartest thing about the design is what it does not attempt. It is not desperately trying to become the tiniest micro-compact on the shelf. Instead, it admits something wonderfully sensible. Pistols become easier to use when human beings can actually hold them. The weak spot is a small forward-mounted slide stop. Some shooters will simply rack the slide. Others will grumble at it every single time. 7. Benelli Nova 3 Tactical. Pump shotguns are supposed to be old technology. Benelli apparently missed that meeting. The Nova 3 Tactical uses polymod construction, a steel structural core surrounded by polymer, and an M4-inspired rotating bolt. Its redesigned action has a shorter stroke than the original Nova, while the 18.5-inch tactical configuration remains light and quick. Depending on configuration, buyers can get 7-round capacity, ghost ring sights, a top rail, and M-lock mounting slots. One evaluator fired 350 shells without a jam, misfire, or hang-up. That matters because a pump gun's greatest selling point is mechanical confidence, but only when the person behind it operates the action correctly. And there is the human factor. Pump actions are manually operated. Under pressure, short stroking is possible, especially for someone who fired 1 box of shells and declared themselves good to go. The lightweight build also means full power ammunition sends a strongly worded letter directly to your shoulder. For buyers who genuinely practice, the Nova 3 delivers modern handling without semi-auto complexity or premium Benelli pricing. 6. Heckler & Koch VP9A1F. HK started with one of the most adaptable striker-fired grips available, and somehow made it even easier to shoot. The full-size A1 uses a 4.53-inch barrel and supports 17 and 20-round magazines, with restricted capacity versions offered where required. HK revised the frame, trigger, and controls while retaining interchangeable grip panels and fully ambidextrous operation. It is also optics-ready, with factory-equipped configurations available. For home defense, the advantage is refreshingly straightforward. Full-size pistols are generally easier to control than micro-compacts. There is more grip, a longer sight radius, and considerably less fingertip gymnastics. The VP9 family has also earned strong marks for accuracy, trigger quality, ergonomics, and reliability. What may surprise buyers is the price positioning. HK delivers premium-feeling ergonomics without demanding a collector's vault budget. But the A1 still costs more than many polymer competitors. You are paying for refinement, not invincibility. 5. Mossberg 940 Pro Tactical SPX. Mossberg appears to have opened the accessory catalog and simply yelled, "Yes!" This is an 18.5-inch gas-operated 12-gauge with 7+1 capacity. The SPX adds an integrated heat shield forend, M-lock slots, ghost ring and fiber optic sights, direct microdot compatibility, additional optic plates, adjustable length of pull, oversized controls, and a removable 6-shell carrier. In other words, Mossberg did not leave much homework for the buyer. The company also redesigned the gas system for cleaner operation and longer maintenance intervals, while corrosion-resistant coatings protect key internal components. Recent evaluators reported strong reliability, including flawless function during demanding shooting sessions. However, the research uncovered a useful warning. One prominent evaluation experienced a rough beginning before the shotgun settled down following maintenance. That does not mean every 940 is unreliable. It means no defensive semi-auto deserves blind faith. Verify your individual firearm using the exact ammunition you plan to keep available. For someone wanting a modern, optics-ready shotgun with most upgrades already installed, the SPX is remarkably complete. 4. Canik Mete MC9 Prime. Imagine a micro-compact spending 6 months at competition school. Built in the United States, the Prime uses a 3.64-inch ported barrel, a flat-faced aluminum trigger, tritium sights, an external magazine well, an optics-ready slide, and 2 17-round magazines. At just over an inch wide, it combines compact dimensions with the grip height and capacity of something considerably larger. The porting grabs the headlines, but the trigger may be the real story. Reviewers praise how smoothly the pistol shoots, and Canik includes the case, holster, tools, and magazines that several competitors make buyers purchase separately. Now for the honest part. The original MC9 developed a mixed early reputation, with some owners reporting recoil spring and ready-to-battery problems. The Prime was developed using years of feedback and is not simply an ordinary MC9 wearing expensive paint. Still, it is newer than the longest proven choices in this countdown. Translation: impressive package, serious capability, and encouraging early reviews. But prove your own example before trusting the hype. 3. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol 20 gauge. This may be the smartest shotgun here because it refuses to enter the 12 gauge arm wrestling contest. The 20 gauge configuration weighs approximately 6 pounds, carries 7+1, and uses a 19.1-inch barrel. It retains the oversized controls, enlarged loading port, optics mounting capability, and accessory points that made the original Patrol so popular. Its greatest advantage is accessibility. Reduced recoil can make practice more comfortable for smaller, older, newer, or recoil-sensitive shooters. A gun someone can control confidently is more useful than one they dread practicing with. But there is an important wrinkle nobody should hide. One detailed 200 shell evaluation experienced cycling problems with certain loads during roughly the first 100 to 150 shells. Following that break-in period, the shotgun operated reliably with the ammunition tested. That is not a reason to panic. It is a reason to test. A defensive shotgun should never travel directly from the cardboard box to bedroom duty. This is not merely a weaker 12 gauge. It is a lighter, softer shooting platform that more members of a household may be able to handle confidently. 2. Smith & Wesson M&P FPC 10mm. Most viewers will pause and ask, wait, it folds where? The carbine hinges sideways, allowing it to fold without disturbing an optic mounted on the top rail. Its 16.25-inch barrel remains attached. The stock stores spare magazines, and the controls feel familiar to anyone who has handled an M&P pistol. Chambering in 10mm also represents a significant power increase over the original 9mm version. The attraction is not only cartridge performance. A shoulder-fired carbine is easier for most people to stabilize than a handgun, while the folding design permits more compact, secure storage than a conventional long gun. Independent evaluations have described the 10mm version as rugged and reliable. Trade-offs remain. 10mm ammunition costs more, recoil exceeds 9mm, and the charging handle and folding mechanism can feel stiff when new. This is also a rifle-length firearm when unfolded, not a hallway-sized superhero gadget. Still, nothing else here combines portability, familiar controls, onboard magazine storage, and that cartridge in such a wonderfully strange package. 1. Springfield Armory Kuna. This is a firearm that made the personal defense weapon category interesting again. Built by HS Product in Croatia, this compact 9mm large format pistol uses a 6-inch cold hammer forged barrel, a monolithic aluminum upper, ambidextrous controls, a folding non-reciprocating charging handle, M-lock slots, hybrid metal sights, and translucent 30-round magazines with metal feed lips. The centerpiece is its roller-delayed operating system. Instead of relying on a large, heavy blowback bolt, a roller briefly delays the action's opening. That reduces reciprocating mass, softens the shooting impulse, and allows the platform to remain compact without feeling crude. It is not merely futuristic styling. The unusual operating system produces a practical handling benefit. Independent reviewers reported impressive accuracy and reliability. One test ran more than 350 mixed rounds without a malfunction. Another encountered only one issue with a particular wide-mouth 90-grain load after testing hundreds of rounds across 10 different loads. The main limitations are proprietary magazines and the legal complexities surrounding braces and certain configurations. Buyers must understand both federal rules and their local laws. But as a compact, controllable, genuinely modern defensive platform, this is the most distinctive firearm in the countdown, and probably the one competitors will spend the next few years trying to catch. Which one belongs at number 1? And which is pure hype? Tell us below. Subscribe to All About Survival and stay ready, trained, and responsible. The gear matters, but the person behind it matters more.